In this video, we are going to present you an example of stationary seismic hazard parameters estimation based on a selected seismic catalog. Before starting the analysis, log into the episodes platform and then go to the episode list. In the first step, we choose the episode we are interested in. In our case, it will be Songchang. The episode concerns the seismic activity associated with a hydropower plant located in central Vietnam. We will need a seismic catalog to perform the analysis. The catalog can be found in the data relevant for the considered hazards. If there is more than one catalog, we can select which one should go for further analysis. In this case, we have two catalogs to choose from. We will use the one that has no information about the mechanisms. The catalog can be added to the workspace using the Add to Workspace button. A window with the folder structure will appear. If you want to put a given file in the root directory, mark the slash and click OK. You will get a message that the file has been added correctly and a link that will take you over to the workspace. In the next step, we want to run the desired analysis. For this purpose, we point to the selected file. Click the left mouse button on the symbol of three squares that appeared next to the file. Then select the Use in Application option and search for the application of interest. In our case, it will be Source Size Distribution Functions Stationary Hazard. Now, we move on to filling out the application form. We can see that the seismic catalog is already loaded. We select the column with the magnitude. In the case of our catalog, we have only access to the local magnitude ML. Then we choose the minimum magnitude. We can enter the value manually or use a histogram. In our case, we will select a value from the histogram. Leave the next two values as default, and then proceed to the selection of the initial and final magnitude values and the analysis step. We will use the following values: 2, 4, and 0.1. Finally, start the application by clicking the Run button. After a while, we get the output data in the form of a graph and result files. One of the files visible in the tree structure, ssh-params.mat, will serve as an input file for the next analysis. We proceed in the same way as in the case of the catalog. We select the analysis we are interested in from the ssh-params file. In our example, we will use the stationary hazard maximum credible magnitude. We complete the missing data, the initial and final length of the time period, and the analysis step. Let's carry out the analysis for 2 years and use the values 0 and 730 days and step 10 days. Then select the Run option and wait for the results. Thank you for your attention.